Ever notice how ChatGPT feels powerful, but somehow limited? People love it, yet something seems missing. ChatGPT can answer questions, write essays, and simulate conversations. But lately, a new kind of AI is appearing: AI agents. These agents act instead of just talking. They don't stop at giving answers. They go and do things. Now people are starting to wonder, has ChatGPT already fallen behind? To find out, let's compare what ChatGPT does and what modern AI agents can do. ChatGPT is designed for conversation. You type, it replies. It's reactive. It waits for your prompt and then generates text. That's its nature. But AI agents are active. They decide what to do next. They take actions automatically. They connect to tools, apps, or the web. ChatGPT works inside a box. AI agents step outside the box. Think of ChatGPT like a smart assistant who never leaves their desk. You ask, it answers, but it won't get up and walk outside. AI agents, on the other hand, get up and start doing tasks. They can book meetings, send emails, or pull live data. That's the core difference. ChatGPT is static, but agents are dynamic. The limitation is built into how ChatGPT was created. It's a large language model trained on text. It predicts the next word in a sentence. It doesn't understand actions or goals. It understands patterns. It's great at explaining or summarizing, but when it comes to doing things, it needs help. That's where AI agents shine. They combine language models with tools and APIs. They plan steps, take actions, check results, and repeat. They can solve problems end to end. ChatGPT stops at words. Agents go further. Suppose you need to analyze market trends. ChatGPT can suggest steps or summarize data. But an AI agent can open tools, download reports, analyze results, and customize findings, all without your manual help. That turns information into automation. So why is ChatGPT stuck in this older stage? It comes down to design goals and safety. ChatGPT was made for safe, general conversation. It avoids risky actions and external access. That's what makes it reliable and controlled. But that safety also limits its reach. Agents are built differently. They balance safety with autonomy. That autonomy is the key to AI progress. Another reason is architecture. ChatGPT's brain focuses on predicting words. An agent's brain works in loops. It reasons about tasks, plans steps, executes, and reflects. Each loop gets it closer to a goal. ChatGPT doesn't loop unless you keep prompting it. Without direction, it halts. Agents keep going until the job is done. That continuous loop makes them feel purposeful. Users often expect ChatGPT to behave like an agent. They ask it to integrate systems or perform actions. But ChatGPT can't initiate these on its own. Even with plugins, it waits for user commands. AI agents are built with that loop to decide and act automatically. It's like comparing a calculator to a robot assistant. The calculator is powerful, but needs you to press buttons. The robot assistant can figure out what you need and act alone. ChatGPT can plan a task. An AI agent can execute it. That's the evolution, from advice to action. Another key idea is memory. ChatGPT has limited memory. It recalls context in a chat, but forgets when you start a new one. AI agents often have long-term memory. They store what they learn, recall past steps, and refine their behavior. That persistent learning helps them improve. ChatGPT starts fresh every time. That's why it feels brilliant but forgetful. Also, agents can interact with the real world. They read data from sensors, websites, or databases. ChatGPT's world ends at text. Its knowledge stops at training cutoff. Agents keep learning from live data. That turns static brains into adaptive ones. Does that make ChatGPT useless? Not at all. It's one of the most capable tools ever for natural language. It's amazing for explaining and teaching. But in a world where AI systems act, ChatGPT's strengths look limited. It's strong in thought, weak in action. And in many fields, action matters most. Businesses are noticing this. They want AI that not only talks, but works. Agents fill that space fast. They're like employees who never sleep and take initiative. ChatGPT is like a consultant. It tells you what to do, but doesn't do it. Companies need doers, not just talkers. Developers see this shift too. They build systems combining models like ChatGPT with other tools. They add memory, reasoning, and APIs. The result is hybrid systems, agents, not chatbots. This new wave is autonomous, goal-driven, and evolving. Another big difference is planning. ChatGPT generates text one piece at a time without a full plan. Agents map out steps to reach a goal. If something fails, they adapt and retry. That adaptability makes them resilient. ChatGPT can't fix its mistakes unless told to. It doesn't notice failure. It just predicts text. That's why agents feel smarter in complex tasks. ChatGPT gives advice by pattern. Agents learn by experience. They act, observe, and improve. This mirrors human learning. ChatGPT has knowledge. Agents have process. That's a major design shift. Still, ChatGPT's approach won't vanish. Agents use language models as their brains but give them tools. It's like giving ChatGPT hands, eyes, and memory. That combination turns a static model into a functioning being. Consider trick planning. ChatGPT can suggest destinations and explain rules. An agent can check flights, reserve hotels, and update you automatically. You set the goal, it handles the steps. That's the new convenience users expect. Industries benefit too. In finance, agents monitor accounts and alert for risks. In healthcare, they summarize patient data and suggest actions. In marketing, they schedule and analyze campaigns. Each case gains from AI that acts. Can't ChatGPT just evolve into an agent? Technically, it can be part of one, but alone, it lacks structure. It needs external systems to plan and execute. ChatGPT is the brain. Agents are the body. The framework makes the brain functional. Companies like OpenAI know this. They're adding memory, personalization, and tools. Each update moves ChatGPT closer to agent features, but pure chat models hit limits without action layers. The future belongs to hybrids. ChatGPT started AI conversations. Agents will start AI operations. Compare it simply. ChatGPT reacts, agents act. ChatGPT waits, agents decide. ChatGPT explains, agents execute. ChatGPT predicts, agents perform. That's not just a new feature, it's a new intelligence type. From reactive to proactive, from conversation to behavior. This change also transforms users. With ChatGPT, you manage each step. With agents, you define goals. The AI figures out how to achieve them. You move from operator to supervisor. That boosts productivity and saves mental effort. Freedom brings risk though. Agents can act unpredictably or make mistakes. Safety and oversight are vital. ChatGPT avoids trouble by staying passive. Agents face risk. They need rules and boundaries to stay aligned. Accountability becomes another concern. If an agent acts on its own, who's responsible for errors? Humans and companies will need new policies. ChatGPT avoids that question. Agents force society to answer it. Still, the direction is clear. AI is shifting from text to action. ChatGPT represents the conversational stage. Agents represent the operational stage. One helps you think, the other helps you do. AI is following the same path as the internet. First, we searched for answers. Then we built apps to act on them. ChatGPT made talking to AI normal. Agents will make working with AI normal. Evolution always looks like revolution when it changes how we act. For users, AI will start to feel like a teammate. You'll describe goals, not steps. You'll manage outcomes, not instructions. Human and AI roles will blend. Talking will turn into collaborating. So is ChatGPT behind? In some ways, yes. It's the foundation of what's next. It paved the way for agents. Still, users now expect results, not recommendations. That shift defines the future of intelligence. The real transformation isn't about replacement, it's about expansion. ChatGPT opened the door. Agents will walk through it.